Good morning, children. Welcome to Rishikul online classes. Do you know that in English grammar, countless words exist? Some words help us to express such ideas as desire, possibility, advice, permission, and sometimes a polite request. So, with the idea of not making us stuck with any difficulty, the grammarians have divided them into different parts. So, with this idea, today we are going to start a very interesting chapter of grammar, that is modals. These are very helpful to you to improve all your skills like reading, writing, speaking, listening, and even your pronunciation. So, first of all, it is necessary to know the definition of modals. Let me tell you that a modal is a type of auxiliary verb, means helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. In other words, modals are the verbs which are used with the principal verb that follows them, and together with the principal verb, they express the mode or manner of the action. So, here you can see the list of modals. They are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, dare, need, ought to, and used to. So, here also you can see the images of modals. Out of these, we will cover 4 modals today. They are can, could, may, and might. So now let us discuss about the usage of can. Can is one of the most commonly used modal verb in English. It can be used in different ways, like to express ability to do something, and the example is I can speak English. Second is when we want to get permission to do something. So example, can I go to the cinema? When we request someone also, like can you wait a moment please? When we offer something, like I can lend you my car till tomorrow. To express possibility, like it can get very hot in Arizona. So now let us discuss about the usage of could. Could is used to express past ability, like I could speak English. Even for permission to do something, like I could go to the cinema. Next, for polite question, like could I go to the cinema please? Sometimes even for polite request, like could you wait a moment please? Also for a polite offer, like I could lend you my car till tomorrow. And sometimes for a polite suggestion, like could we visit grandma at the weekend? So it is also used to express possibility, like it could get very hot in Montana. So now let us discuss about the usage of next modal, may. May is used to express possibility, like it may rain today. And the next usage is when we want to get permission to do something in the present, like may I go to the cinema? May is used for polite suggestion also, like may I help you? Now let us know about the usage of might. Might is used in case of less possibility than may. And the example is it might rain today. It is also used in case of hesitant offer, like might I help you? So children, I hope you understood the usage of can, could, may and might in module 1. Thank you.